All right, we back. Looks like I moved a little bit while we were gone. RTY got a nice little swing. All right, give me a couple minutes. I'll be right back.
Let's see here.
All right. We got a little movement and come and just settled into nothing.
Missed 6 heat long I wanted. That's about it. Maybe would have looked at that. Maybe,
Yeah.
and that's a big maybe. Maybe would have looked at that ES long there. Yeah, well, probably would have. Probably would have looked at that. Yeah, probably would have looked at that. I think that's just about the only thing that NQ R2Y short finally set up from that level.
Yeah, that was a good area
It just
there.
didn't do it the way I would. I don't. Again, one candle setup. I still had to take that short below this midpoint here, and you're going into the pivot there again.
It's been
Second
working all
trade.
day
That's
though.
it. Exact same trade twice the same
Uh
day.
huh. Same trade.
There is a long,
Uh,
like right now on RTY. I'll just sit here and eat my pasta and commentate for a minute.
there you go.
Um, Man, I was thinking about jumping in when I came and looked. This bar was just forming on 6E. Oh, is this one?
Thought about jumping in there.
Yeah, almost just did it at the market. I was really close to it. Not touching GC. I'll take a look at another long on CL. Where was that? Let's look at this loser that we had on that CL earlier. Oh,
Nothing on CL.
I was just looking to see if this loser was.
Oh,
Again, I mean, I'm just trying to see if it was something we could have saw differently in it, but I don't think so. I mean,
you know,
it did everything it needed to do to make it a trade. Again, there was a short up here on CL. That's not something I think we get look back down here at the long. Is what I do if it gets down here in time.
yeah, it would have to come at least down there.
Get if you get that level and 89 to match up and price at the same time, I would I would highly consider that long. Um, I don't think I'm gonna look at GC the rest of the day. It doesn't look like it wants to be looked at the rest of the day. It's gotten ugly.
No, nothing's really
It's turned into
screaming trade me here.
the Bubba Sparks song. Was it? Didn't he have a song called "Ugly" or something like that?
Yeah, ugly. Like old Bubba Sparks.
I don't know why the dumbest crap comes to my mind when I don't have anything to think about.
You look at the news. See what's going on in the news.
Yeah, let's do news. Let's do a news thing. I don't have my. I can't read my. Oh, I guess I could put my email here. I get that. I get that 1440 thing every day. email from 1440.
40.
Yeah, it's cool. Actually, it's a pretty good recap email of everything.
Just kind of
1440.
tells you what's going on.
Yeah, you can get it. Go to like just look up 1440 Daily Digest. Um, social media addiction. Duh.
This is pretty cool.
So somebody suing. I guess there's a court case going on with TikTok, Meta, YouTube, get suing because their 19-year-old son's health.
Has declined.
Yep. Mental health has declined.
Yeah. I don't think there's any doubt that social media platforms destroy minds. They are addicting.
Oh, they're gonna be calling Zuckerberg and all those people into court for it.
These guys don't
It's
care. They got more money. They know what to
I
do with
know.
it. They can get away with anything.
Dark matter map. That's up my alley.
Hmm.
I missed a
I don't know. Do
question.
we?
I missed a question I should have gotten in trivia last night. I was
If
busy
this
thinking
comes
about it.
down to this 89 on NQ, do we consider along or? I don't like the stochastics.
Um, well, it's like what I always say. If the ES sets up, let's take a look at the NQ. What was our best trade?
I like ES down here, but I don't think we'll get down there. But 96, 75, 97.
I think, yeah. I'm just thinking about this for a
That's where I like
second.
it. Now, whether or not it comes down there, I don't know.
Well, this is the same level that you were talking about the breakout above earlier. So, and it did break
Mhm.
out.
We are right at the overnight and the Crable both. High.
I should have done the Crable today. Ah,
Yeah, that'd have been a good trade.
yeah, that would have gotten you some juice on that one.
Yep.
Okay, so
Yes, good bounce
if
here.
it sets up right here, I
Mm-hmm.
will look at it.
But I'm saying ES could bounce here.
Nope, it's not setting up there. It needs to be a little bit
You're gonna
lower.
keep on going.
Um, I don't know. CL, I want to be a little. There's just yeah. It's like pretty much the same crap that we left it in, right?
Yeah.
Got to see a deeper pullback now to get along. Time is it right now? 13:01. Maybe we'll get something here in
I mean, this is an area here where it should bounce on NQ and even on ES.
Yeah.
Now, whether it does or not, I don't know.
Yeah.
But
Agreed.
got to get a clean setup.
Somewhere maybe just a little bit lower on the NQ.
You're going to get your wish.
There you go. Yes, it's trying to set up. RT1. There's nothing on any of the other charts except for the
No, that ones are garbage.
the Miss 6E along. If it turns now and goes, I can't take it. I'm not gonna jump in like that.
No, that's too.
Too risque.
Like a couple, like one more bar would be nice.
Or if this bar stopped and we got a new, I mean, NQ's trying to set up.
Mm-hmm.
I really like sticking to A plus setups in the afternoon, but okay, let's see here. Maybe we get 72. All right, do we want to do this? Oh, it says to take it, but I just
Now,
I don't. The only place I really feel comfortable is above this wick, this first candle that came down here, and that's a high of 575. You see it being at 6, which is right next to our resistance earlier. Now there's a setup forming. Now we got something to talk about. You got a setup on a smaller tick chart and the bigger tick chart. What do you think?
I'm probably game, but I mean, like you said, you got to be at 06, right?
Yeah.
Or would you take
Yeah.
that little ledge
Well,
underneath there?
now you could probably look at 525.
At 05 and a quarter.
Yeah, 5 1/4. I'll think about that for a second. Put in the. This is
05 and a
this is
quarter.
where a trade should come from.
Yeah. And NQ is
On the lower tick chart, setting up with a nice little wonky W.
yeah.
Have to be at like.
Doesn't look like it's gonna happen.
Have to be at like above this wick, I think. I think. I don't know. If it goes any lower on the ES, I cancel both trades. I mean, I don't know how much easier that can be for.
Oh, you're at 58 on NQ.
I might be. Let's see what's that high right there. That's 57.25. Yeah, 58's fine. I'm gonna be really quick to take a target though. I can promise you that. You got another candle starting down on the ES. This is really not looking like it's my cup of tea right now. But everything screams buy from this area right now.
I mean, this is an area I have area of interest, but I don't like the price action.
Nope, me neither. I will be quick to cancel.
I don't even think you're gonna get the cancel. I think it's just gonna keep break down the ESs. I mean, I don't.
Well, it's got to go on this bar.
Well, it did hold.
If it doesn't go on this bar, I don't go on this bar. Both ES and NQ need to go on this bar. or I'm done. We'll see in 400 ticks, won't we?
Yeah. Doesn't look very promising.
Nope, sure doesn't. Not with that candle starting at the bottom and staying at the bottom. But, the indicator I'm going to build, that would be a pretty large amount of trades collected right there.
I think I'm gonna kill this.
Yeah, it's not panning out right.
I'm out. I'm not gonna take it. So
That is a lot of trades happening though right there in that one small little area.
it's also grouped right around VWAP too. So
Yeah.
it's bouncing up and down on it.
Nope. I'm with you. I'm out. Killing it.
Me too. It's not an A+ trade. I mean, I'm not saying it
Not
won't work.
anymore.
It
If
could.
it had gone on that bar, it would be an A+
Yeah,
trade.
it would have been nice.
It's
Like
not
now
A
you're just
plus
guessing.
anymore. Look at that big tick chart keeping you out of trouble. A bigger ticker. A bigger
Tell you,
ticker chart.
it is a game changer.
Isn't it? I mean, I know we say this every day, but I mean, man, had we not looked into this for a month,
I mean,
I don't even know how to like.
not that what we were doing before didn't work, but it
No,
just higher risk. I mean, there was just more.
a lot more.
This is a safer way to trade and way more relaxing way to trade too.
That's what Tom told me yesterday. He's like, I'm
Nowhere
definitely.
near have the anxiety or stress you
He
get.
said that's exactly what Tom said yesterday. He's like, I'm way more calm. That's for sure. And I was like, good.
Yeah. You just wait patiently for it to set up. If it does, take it. If it doesn't, don't take it. Simple as that.
Bingo, boingo,
But,
bango.
now you're getting your setup, but that's just too late.
Do I want to do it? I don't know, Paul. I just NQ already took off. You'd be in the NQ already. You would be. Let's watch. Let's be spectators.
Here, let's do it in
I'll
sim.
give you some micros. All right, I'll do it in sim.
Or you can do it in micros. There's another option.
I'll do
There
it.
would be no real risk.
No, I
Like
said I
5
said
or
I
6 micros.
said nah. I'll trade the minis. Let me put this in sim. Let's put this spy stop here in sim.
Full disclosure, he's in sim.
I'm in sim because I'm a chicken. I'm gonna hit this NQ in sim too. Be a sim millionaire. I would already be in, so I'm going into the market. Give me something to do. Manage my sim trades.
Watch him be great trades.
I don't give it. I really don't care. If it ends up being a great trade, then more power to it. I am not. I'm just not going to do it.
There's NQ working out.
Well, okay. Great. Technically, you should start with a stop down here. Technically, you should start with your stop down here. Yeah, that's exactly. There's no way I'm no. Now this is a 7 poker factor if you take it in money account, cash accounts, live
Yeah.
accounts. 8 poker factor. That's why I don't like to trade. We should start grading our trades based on pucker factor. If the trade has a pucker factor of 4 or less, I'm probably okay with it. All right. I have a thought about this, and you may or may not like it, but I have been looking at this for a minute after we talked about it. A breakdown could run.
Yeah, I just a break of these, yeah, because it's definitely
A breakdown could run. That break, a break of this low right here, especially where it wicked off of, where that would be with the NQ. But then you might get the trade a little lower. I don't sound like the stuff back here from earlier, but a breakdown could run. I mean, there definitely would be room for it. But on an update like today, this does say that it says that the long trade is the trade you should take. Anybody just joining us, I am in sim on this one. I'm not in the real account now. Paul's gonna be like, I wish I was in a real account.
hmm it's gonna work.
Well, big tick chart.
Yeah, the moon didn't take your target.
Ticks me. That ticks me off. That's gonna take my target. Yeah, NQ is moving. It's gonna take my target. There you go. Anybody actually get this in real money?
Did anybody take it for real?
Real money?
Stretch did.
Real money stretch. All right, there you go. I mean, it's a valid trade. I'm not gonna argue with that. I just didn't do it the way I wanted it done. If it runs up, I'm not gonna do anything else with this. I'm gonna actually probably think about looking for the next short.
Yeah.
Chris, nice. Okay, good job, guys. I had a good morning, so I didn't risk. I'm the later in the day I get, the less risk averse I become. I think, or the more risk averse I become, especially if I have a good morning. Here's this is just me. I mean, for you guys, anybody that's listening out there, Chris is Chris C. Is this old Chris C? I don't know who anybody is anymore. Uh, Hi, hey buddy, what's up? Good to see you in here. It's a bunch. What do you think about the new layout of the charts and what we're trading, how we're trading? It's a little bit more fancy and more relaxed, I think, right?
Fancy.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, cool, man. It's a little.
And today
It
hasn't
took
really been
PayPal a
that stellar a
good
day.
month to get to this simplicity, but it works
Yeah,
well.
it took us a good every single day for a month and a half
Yeah,
of
about a month and a half, I guess.
practicing and RTY long. You know what, Tom?
Who said that, Tom?
Missed it.
Dang, Tom,
Missed
I'm
it, but
sorry.
yeah,
Yeah, you're
that would have
right.
been a really good one actually.
That was a setup.
I would have took that. I wasn't even
I would have
looking.
totally done.
I was just
I'm sitting here like in
not even
days in
looking.
no man's land. Like,
Yep. Good call, Tom.
did you take it, Tom? That was a good trade. That would be a good trade. If you pass, I'm not gonna argue either way. Yeah, I mean R2EY is straight up two-way trading. Oh come on, why do I do that every
Did
time?
you just X out of it?
I hope not.
Why don't you have that thing where you have to confirm your delete? That's the first thing I said. That's the first thing I turn on. That way I don't accidentally delete charts. Yeah, you deleted it.
Did I really delete my RTY chart?
You sure did. You need to turn that damn confirm deletion on.
There it is.
There it is.
Confirm deletion.
Yeah, it's in the settings. You can turn it on so where whenever you try to delete something, it'll pop up a screen saying, "Are you sure you want to delete this?" And you say yes or no. Pain in the neck, but it'll save you from accidentally deleting something.
It's
Since
healthy for you to
Control
have to
Z
rebuild
doesn't.
your charts from time to time.
Yeah, I did that a couple weekends ago. Went through and rebuilt everything new.
Did you do it? Did you take the long, Tom? That was a good. Good look on that one though.
Another good call.
Yeah.
Great call. I would have took that. I just wasn't even
Yeah, if
looking.
I was looking at it, I would have taken that trade. That's a trade that fits in my
That
risk
is
pretty
that is a setup, and it's coming right out of an area zone that I
pretty
have.
nice. Yeah.
Perfect zone. So yeah, all over that one. Perfect setup.
Pretty handy.
Totally missed that one.
In late?
Well, in
Okay.
late though,
All
you're
right.
still okay
Just
though. I
get your
think,
targets
right?
off and get a target off and sit back. I mean, if you can break past this level right here that's at, you're going all the way up to at least 89.
So my
So,
question is, Tom, why are you in late if you were seeing the trade? You hesitate.
he hesitated.
Hey, if it sets up, take the trade.
I know Tom
Just
well.
take it.
I know Tom
Don't
well.
question it. Don't question yourself.
If I was looking at it, I would have said something. If I was looking at it, I would have taken that trade. That's a trade I definitely would have taken if I was looking at it. Look at this ES
I mean,
and
I can
NQ
see.
working out like fancy things.
I don't know.
Let me
Look at
switch
that.
back to.
Two monster sim millionaire trades. I'm kicking myself for taking that off now.
I told you you were gonna say that too, didn't I? I literally said you're gonna say I'm kicking myself for taking that trade off.
Uh-huh. Nah, I'm not. It just didn't. It wasn't. I don't need to force a trade, and so what? It worked out. Who cares?
Who
Good.
counts
Hopefully
on
somebody took it, and Stretch took it. Stretch making money.
Stretch and Chris did.
Someone else, right?
Chris.
Chris took it. Okay, cool.
Chris C.
Well, are you guys still in it?
I hope so. I hope they are.
I hope so. Hope you guys
I'll
haven't got
give you
out
a
yet.
stop if you want to stop. You guys still in?
Runner. All right,
Good
cool.
job, Chris.
Way to go, Chris. I'm sure Stretch is still in it.
Yeah, you got targets. Sit back and relax, Tom. I know Stretch is still in it. Stretch can
Pretty
manage
sure.
trade.
Yes, yeah. 725 stop.
It's probably what
Wait. Yeah, that's
I think.
good.
I'd use 7, but
Well, that's a little tight.
I think I'd use 7, but you're probably still good on that.
Yeah.
Chris,
Well,
stay
that's a little
follow the
tight too.
stop here, too, Chris.
I'd be just below that overnight high of 7.
Yeah,
Yeah, 725 is fine, I guess.
man. All right, well, guess you miss trades every now and then.
Oh yeah. I'm not worried about it. I am
Poker
not
factor
worried
was too
about it. I'll
high.
tell you what though. Well, like you said, we had a good morning, right? So why force anything unless we're not unless the two of us are just overjoyed about the entry. I say we pass on it.
Yeah,
And other people can
I got a
take it.
couple accounts I need to trade, but
Yeah, I still have 3 I need to trade, but
got 2 that I'd like to, 3 that I
I think
could.
I'm just gonna copy trade those 3 just to get them on,
Get
just to
one,
trade them.
one copy trade. Yeah.
Yeah, just to trade them. I wouldn't have to worry about trading 3 accounts. It's getting late in the day. I don't feel like.
Yeah, I should have taken
But I
one.
got,
I should have taken that on taking those 2 because even if they were losers, I would have not
yeah,
traded them again
you get
today.
credit for trading them at least.
Yeah. I'll get a trade in.
My problem is I just gotta make sure that I get through all of them or trade them at least every other day.
Um. Well, dang. Stay in that RTY. It's going to go to the 89 now, Tom. Stay in the RTY trade.
Good trade.
Yeah, it's a good trade.
That one I do regret not seeing.
Yeah, that kind of. It wasn't it. I mean, I gotta tell you, it was just. It had to take some heat.
I mean, that came straight down to a perfect zone. I had a zone sitting right there, literally, and it bounced. It wicked in it, and see ya.
Bam. Yeah, you could be the local resident RTY. Is the long setting up and
No, it doesn't hurt to point it out because we're looking at all these charts and talking.
Bound to
And
miss something every now and then.
we're bound to miss things, yeah, for sure.
Just like not taking this long. I mean, my original idea was look for a short up here, right now.
I was gonna say
That was my
we
original
could
idea.
do.
So if this stays below this stuff from earlier, anywhere in this area, I had such a hard time getting through that over Globex earlier this morning. It just blew right through it just now. Is that right? Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, short on smaller tick chart on the NQ, but
I'm starting to look at it. I think if we get a big tick chart short set up on the ES, I'll try to take a look at that. But at this point, at this stage, I think it's got to be perfect. Just clean, like a clean setup. I'll do both the NQ and the ES.
I like the NQ. Nope. Never mind. Spoke too soon.
What do you like?
I don't like anything.
I'd like to be in this trade.
I'd like to be in that damn long I killed earlier.
Silly us. Silly us.
Yeah, or the RTY trade also.
Yeah, all good. Yeah, all three good trades. Silliness. Silly williness. We might have missed the last trade of the day.
Yeah, kind of looking that way.
Well, shoot. Let's see. I mean, it's still in the area that I would look at on the ES. I'm just much higher. I think I'm gonna not look at it. Are we?
Well, honestly, wouldn't mind getting up if it got up to around 7 or around 15 and on
That's the
ES, and then
last. Yeah, that's about the last.
that's about the top there for me.
Unless it just set up perfectly, it did at the very top, like a true double top.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know that. You guys probably should be looking at like what, a 975 stop right now. Whoever's in the ES long. RTY, you could probably move your stop up now to 63.2. 63.2 on RTY. Somewhere like under here. Yeah, 63.2 or 4. 63.4. What did I say? 975.
975.
Actually, 10.
9.75.
10's a better stop for this. Look at that low right there. 10. And no, 975 was stop. Never mind. If you really want to be tight, you gotta be below that. That's 1025. So I think 975 is the best stop for it if you want to try to stay in it. Now this is a setup for the short. Do you want to try to look at it, Paul?
We could.
It looks like it's trying to set up on the NQ. Oh, that would be it right now.
I'm in. I jumped in. See what happens.
Oh, I had my other. I was on switch to reread on the wrong accounts.
I don't have a lot of faith in this though. Looks like it just wants to keep going higher, but we'll see. Let's see.
I gotta step away for just a minute. I'll be back.
Come on now. Break down. You know you want to. This is painful here. Yeah. I'm right at break even here. I could probably get out with small. I don't know. I don't know if I should stay in this or just kill it. Yes, no, NQ looks like it's going long. I'm gonna get out. I'll kill this, I think, with a small loss. Glad I did. I think this thing's gonna take it. I didn't like that after I got in it. This is not. I think I might be done for the day. I don't like trading these kind of markets. I had a good morning. Don't want to give any of this back. Step away for just a second. Be right back. All right. Now this up here on the ES is an area, what I said earlier. If it came up in here, would be probably a last ditch effort for another short if it sets up. All right. Let's see. Double top on NQ. Uh, yeah, you have a tested zone here. I really wanted the ES up a little higher. I don't know. At this point, for me, it has to be a super, super clean setup. I'm just not going to risk any more money. It's not worth it to me. Man, look at that RTY workout. That was the trade. Oh, you're still in the RTY or the RTY? Oh, the ES? Oh, yeah, man, hold on to that. I really want, I'd like to see it get a little higher.
Dave.
How'd we do this morning? We did good this morning, believe it or I mean, no losing trades, right? Just that one little
Oh, we cut one short, but
short,
got
cut
back
one
in.
short trade. Yeah, it was
Yeah.
small loss trade.
We just got out
Everything
because
else
it didn't
was,
look right.
we had about 4 or 5 pretty good
Well,
calls.
I'm kicking myself for not being in these longs this afternoon.
Yeah, I just took a small loss on that. Tried that ES short when you left, but I killed it for like a $50 loss.
There you go.
I didn't like it. I was like, this isn't breaking. This is going to keep going. So
It's
got out.
starting to set up
And I
now,
just,
though, isn't it?
at this point, honestly, for me, it's going to have to be really, really clean. I just don't want to. It's not worth it. I mean, I
Yeah.
wanted it a little higher, would set like really would like
Uh,
it closer to
I
that
mean,
swing, that previous swing up
there's
top.
like a spot right under this wick that I might would look at.
Like even that's not really a clean
No.
swing right there. It's not. I mean, it's definitely a short on the small tick chart.
Yeah. And the large tick chart. You could look below this level on the NQ.
Huh, that's
Nothing like
weird.
that. What?
I was just reading what Dave wrote. It must be an internet thing. It's the only thing I can think of.
The old interwebs.
The intrawebbage.
Well, Dave, I'm just gonna say that's what happens when you crawl up the power pole and steal your neighbor's internet.
Look into your neighbor's internet. The old extension cord running next door.
Went out and bought some coax cable and connected it to the neighbor's internet.
Stole their TV. Stealing cable. That used to be
Somebody
a thing
probably
back in the day. Remember? People used to connect into your cable. Steal your cable.
it got hit by a weed eater as it was laying across the grass.
Yep. Now you're talking.
60. It's not my password. Pretty rabbit
Pretty
688.
rapid 688.
Large Lake 245. That was my old internet password. Large Lake 245. I starting to think that I might want to look at this short here, Paul.
Okay, well,
It's been sitting here for
think
a minute.
away.
I mean, you could almost guarantee targets if you put a sell stop like here on the NQ. I mean, yeah, okay. Well, I'm in it now, so here we
No, it
go.
does.
Let's
Yeah,
see.
you don't have a choice now. Whatever it either does or doesn't.
You do or
I,
don't. It's not the account I need to be in there. All right, go for me, baby. Give me a target. Or don't. It looks like it wants to, doesn't it?
kind of does.
It looks like it wants to. About to get a target.
Well, that's what it did to me on the ES. It fiddled around here for a little bit, then it just reversed right back up.
Oh, now you're certainly not giving me hope in this.
I mean, it's just the same crap it did before, just on the NQ instead of the ES.
Taking all my dreams away from me.
Just telling you, that's why I'm.
Dreams. ES needs to go a little bit lower. I think we might be able to do this. All right, am I gonna cut this for a loss and try to get back in it then? Let's see here. I don't want to take a full loss on this. Yeah, I I'm gonna cut this and try to get back, put the sell stop back in.
I mean,
what do you think?
Yeah, looks like it kind of wants to, don't it?
It looks like it wants. Let's give it a second, maybe. How'd you get my password, Dan? About time you showed up, Dan. Let's see here. RTY setting up for a short.
Well, that's good. So ES can set up for a short, then that'll give you some hope in this NQ trade.
I really want to close it out and just put a sell stop back in. Is what I really want to do. I think I'm pretty confident that's what I want to do here, but we'll give it a second longer. Let's see. Dave stole Dan's password. It's a good thing my password is password. Nobody's ever gonna figure that out.
That's always been
maybe
mine.
I'll look at this RTY.
Mine's password spelled backwards. Yeah.
Draw. Sap. Draw sap. Okay. All right. I'm doing it. I'm gonna buy eat $170 here and put that thing back in. That's just too much time spent there for me to be.
Yeah, it's just hovering. It doesn't want to go nowhere.
Yeah. I'm just gonna put that puppy right.
I think I might be done trading for the day.
Yeah, we'll see.
I don't particularly like this market.
But
you got back in again?
Never mind. Yeah, I'll put it. I'll put it back in, thinking that if it pushed back down below that, here's what I'm looking at. There's a midpoint here on the bigger tick chart, and this should give you target here. I mean, that's what I'm looking at. Is that this should be a targetable.
I don't like those wicks on that small chart, but
yeah, I don't like how it's setting up a small chart.
I'm telling you,
all right,
I'll let you take that one. I already took a loss on that ES.
Yeah, I'm done then. All right, never mind. I'll take that. There we go. Had to get a loss in. Down 300. Oh well.
Market's screaming. I got that one account.
Yeah. I'm trying to find one. Now I've got one account red. Yay. There's one I can trade. Oh, that's one I need to trade anyway. There we go. One red account. Oh well. Okay, put that one on that one. I'll trade that one there. Put this one on this one. On the right accounts. That one on that one. And back at it. Right back at it. Those counts, the accounts were cursed, not the trade.
Yeah, I blame the account.
It's the account's fault. Still like the short on the RTY. Well, at least I kept that manageable loss. still pretty green for the day. I mean, I can't complain about this day. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm still up right at $1,000 minus that 300, so 350.
Yeah, I took that CL loss earlier, which put me out of the game on that account. That was a max loss, and then that little bitty loss, $50 loss on ES, and I'm like, yeah, that's it. I'm done. I'm not gonna give any of the rest of this money back.
I mean,
If I walk away now, I'm still green overall.
well,
So
that's what I'm saying. I'll take my $1,000 day. I'll take it and not trade again today. I'm fine with that. This account and this account. I mean, I could probably just put every chart on those two accounts.
let me grab this phone. Hold on, I'll be back.
Yeah, let's put everything on those two accounts. Everything on black. And one I paid commissions on. I would try that one on RTY. If this, I do like this short setup on RTY. Can't trade CL. It's not doing what I want it to do. Definitely not trading that account on it. Try that one. Nothing doing 6E. Nothing doing, nothing doing, nothing doing. Well. I do think I would be interested in this RTY short. Tom, did you get? Did you take that RTY long all the way up? I wonder if Tom did that. Let me see. I'm gonna keep thinking about this RTY. I think I kind of like it. CL, you're a little late on the long. Should have been. If you wanted, well, yeah. I don't like. There's no. It's the clean swing was down, but there's a lot of to the swing. That's good job. Good job, Tom. There's just too many bars in this area for on CL for me. I need it to be out of this area. Yeah. YM gave some decent swings today, believe it or not. I just couldn't bring myself to doing the YM. You know, here's the reason I don't like the YM. After I moved to the bigger tick chart, even if you use like a 300 tick, yeah, you could probably get some decent trades out of the 300 tick. Dow is down though. The YM is down. Enormous freshwater reserve discovered off the East Coast. Wow. Okay. Enough messing around. Shorten queue for ESB. Well, uh, I mean, here's the way I look at it. They said this is the way I look at it, Dave. Especially with the bigger tick charts. You get a good setup, take it. Doesn't matter if it's long or short. Odds are it's going to be a good trade. Now you do want to have some bias, but it does give some good setups here against the overall trend. Yeah, it's probably ill advised to take those shorts that I tried to get into. Oh well, it's only $300. It's one trade. Put this account on that. Trying to find a. Go on that account, and I don't think I'll end up taking a 6E trade today. But if I do, I'll do it on that account. Let's see. Maybe we'll try to get one more account, one more trade in. Maybe we'll try. What? What are you laughing at? Oh, Dan. um, almost. You almost kind of want to think. Keep saying this today. Too late to look at a breakout trade though. I think I would have been better served to not take that trade and wait. The long that you guys got was the bee's knees. That was it. I would consider CL at the bottom of this junk, going into that big time resistance area though on a daily. We might have an opportunity to short CL tonight. I might actually I say this a lot, but I might actually have the right. I'm gonna try to get some maybe look at in a little bit of time in the evening, Paul.
Oh, we could do that. Oh,
We could try to catch a
yeah.
GC trade or something.
We could do that. CS is getting into that area that I was kind of waiting for.
Yeah, I should talk myself out of those shorts.
Yeah.
Oh well. Oh well. One account red today is not gonna hurt at all. Almost 1400. If it stays slow, I think we call it early again.
Yeah, I mean, that is no sense. I mean, to be perfect, I mean, truthfully speaking, we're forcing trades.
No,
There's
I don't.
nothing
I
really
mean, I don't have
clean
to trade.
here.
I got 2 accounts. I don't have to trade them. If I do, we can. Well, it'd be a different day, but we can trade them tonight on gold.
I don't have any accounts left. I got my cash account, but I'm not trading that. That ain't happening today. Not in this. I do want to see if this ES right here, though,
All right,
like, because
my
I've had this
first.
one.
I copied the. I tried to copy my first trade on the ES because that's usually a good one. That's about it. Yeah, I don't see anything super out there to get so all tore up about.
It doesn't look like it's going to give it to us. There's, nope. Gonna go without a setup. Look at that crap. Went right up into that little zone I had and then just rejected out of it. Son of a.
Yeah.
Really?
Oh well.
Really? Really? If that's not a cue that I don't need to be trading this shit,
There you go. That's it.
perfect. I mean, it went right into my level, wicked into it, turned around with one candle and didn't even
Yeah,
give me
you
a
did say
setup.
15, didn't you?
Exactly what I said. Claimed it right, called it right to the number. That was the short. That was the one I should have. That was the one I should have took instead of that earlier one. Oh well, amateur move, Paul.
That's hard. That's a hard one to
Back to
take.
work at Walmart. I'm on my way to Walmart.
That's a hard one to take.
Yeah, I know. It didn't give me a setup. It gave me one on the wall tick chart.
I'm not really. I mean, I'm looking at both the small tick chart and the big tick chart, and don't see a great setup.
I had double top, Crossman HMA, close below,
Yeah, I guess
Hoka
you could look at it that
stochastics.
way.
Gave us one of those old entries. I mean, I would have took that in the past. Definitely would have took that, especially coming off that zone right there,
Yeah.
that level. But I was waiting for a
I,
nice clean setup on the big tick, and then we didn't get it.
it sounds ridiculous, but I still think below this level here on the NQ is a good short. And I still think below this level here on the ES is a good short. Not taking those trades. Those are big pucker factor trades, but
Yeah.
I think they would work. GC just shot down out of nowhere. I don't know.
I strongly say we wrap it up.
Yeah,
I
there's
don't.
probably
I
gonna be
don't
one
want
more
to see.
trade to be had somewhere. That's about it. Not. Yeah.
To sit
Yeah.
here another hour to possibly get one more trade is just not worth it to me.
No. No. All right. Our one afternoon mistake should have taken those longs.
Yeah,
All of them. RTY.
that RTY was huge.
All three.
It's a
NQ,
great
ES,
call.
RTY should have all been long.
Yep.
Oh well. Um,
Sorry, we live to trade another day.
can't. Yeah, I know. I'm. You are not going to get arguments out of me on this one. No, thank you, Dave. Gotta make some money doing this.
We're trying, Dave. We're trying. That was the damn short I wanted, though. Man almighty, that right there, that's what's making me. That's why I want to leave,
Oh, whatever.
because I knew I was right. I
Then we definitely need to
didn't get
leave.
the trade I wanted. Yeah, it's just that was the one I was waiting for. It come right to there and bounce, and it did.
Well, I did
Oh
say bro
well.
here on the NQ would be a good short. So.
Yeah, but man, that's so low.
Uh,
But your risk has got to be. I mean, your real stop's got to be at 108,
yeah, it's gotta be way up there.
08.25.
It's gotta be way up there.
Yeah, like a 30 point
Yeah,
risk.
90. Yeah, 98. You mean?
I mean, the real one's got to be right at the top, but
Yeah,
I don't know.
that's a big. That's a bigger risk.
Big risk.
But it's a trade that would work, and I'm don't. Yeah, let's call it a day. This is dumb.
Totally agree with that.
We got the Fed tomorrow. We'll be here all afternoon, so
Tomorrow afternoon will be a lot more fun.
yeah, we'll have some stuff. We'll get some swings in the morning. Take a break, come back, trade the Fed. I'm gonna. I think I.
Funny to hear us talk ourselves around trades.
Well, that's why we did it this way, Dave. We wanted to come up with a way that's just that took out all the chatter of everything else, and just Paul and I talking about our trades. That way, we're on the same page, and I think it's just a clean way to do it for everybody.
I agree.
Yeah, you could probably look for one more ES long. I mean, it's stayed up all day. I mean, this retest of this levels, my kid's still kicking myself for not getting in that puppy, but that I mean, for me to have to look at the ES, would have to come back down to at least 7, or like from 7 to 8. I'm not gonna wait for that. I would have to correlate with the same on the NQ. I don't think I'm gonna get it. I don't see any trade setting up on here on the. Yeah, less noise, more concentration. That's it, Tom. Nah, I don't think he
Yeah.
missed CL long. I can't take that CL long. I can't do that. What I could do
Resist
is
that
look for the
urge to
GC
just
long, but
trade.
I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, we're just here to trade. That's it. Do I like what we're doing? Does Dolly Parton sleep on her back? The answer is yes. All right, Paul. We shut it down,
Uh,
right?
After that one, yeah. Hold on. That was wait.
It's
Close
forever
my damn.
archived. Hey, she's my great aunt. I can say that. There you go. She's my great aunt. All right.